Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the Jammu Martyrs Day tomorrow to reaffirm the resolve to continue the Martyrs' mission till the realization of their inalienable right to self-determination. The observance of this day stands as a solemn reminder of one of the darkest and most horrifying chapters in the history of not only the Kashmiris but the entire subcontinent. In 1947, while millions celebrated independence, the Muslims of Jammu faced a meticulously planned genocide carried out by the Dogra forces of Maharaja Hari Singh, supported by the Indian Army and Hindu extremist militias. Nearly 500,000 innocent Kashmiris, they were slaughtered or forced to flee towards Pakistan in one of the most brutal acts of communal cleansing witnessed in the subcontinent. Each year, Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the globe commemorate this day, not merely as a remembrance of the dead, but as a renewal of their unwavering commitment to the Martyrs' mission. The struggle for the right to self-determination and the blood of the Jammu Martyrs shed for freedom, dignity remains an internal call for justice. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the appearance of the posters and public tributes shows that despite decades of occupation, censorship and suppression, the memory of 1947 still continues to live in the collective consciousness of the Kashmiri people. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders, they have rightly stated that these sacrifices will never ever go in vain. And the Jammu massacre was not an isolated tragedy but the foundation upon which India's ongoing occupation and demographic engineering in Kashmir were built. Paying homage to the Jammu Martyrs today means carrying forward their mission to resist, subjugating and preserve identity, to reclaim the right to decide their own destiny. Their courage still continues to inspire generations, turning grief into resilience and remembrance into resistance.